Want to share your Discord profile link with others? Here's how to do it. First, launch your Discord app and navigate to the U page. Then click on the settings icon. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under app settings, you're gonna find the option of advanced. Click on that. Now you'll need to toggle on for the option developer mode. Once you do this, you can head back. Now navigate to the home page. Now navigate to any of the server. You can even use one you created yourself. Just send a quick message in the chat so your name and profile picture appear. Now tap on your profile picture or your name. Now at the top right, you're gonna find three dots. Click on that. Select the option copy user ID. Once you have copied it, now open any of the Notes app or any text editor where you can paste text. Now I can paste your text. Now before the text, you'll need to type in discordapp.com/user/ save or copy this full link. It's your personal Discord profile link. Now open any messaging app, select a contact, paste the link and tap the send icon to share it. When someone clicks on that link, it will instantly open your Discord profile. And that's it. You have successfully copied and shared your Discord profile link. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.